Alright guys, now we're going to move on to the upper. We have the Aero Precision M5 upper enhanced. Have the M5 E1 enhanced handguard. Wilson Combat 20-inch Super Sniper fluted barrel. Aero Precision rifle length gas tube with the Superlative arms, 0.875-inch adjustable gas block with the bleed off system. Wilson Combat bolt carrier group. Dead Air Xeno 5/8 by 24 muzzle brake. BCM vertical grip. The Radion Raptor SD AR-10 ambidextrous charging handle. I'll get all these unboxed and start putting it together. Alright, first I put the upper receiver in a vise block on top of the Real Avid Armor's master vise. Make sure your gas tube will be lined up. Alright, next we'll install the gas block and gas tube. For your gas block, you have to put a roll pin in. The gas tube has a hole, you put it through the hole and punch a roll tube in. I've already done that. Just slide. Like I said, just double check, make sure that gas tube is straight. That way your gas port hole is over top of your gas port for it to come down the gas tube. Alright, now we'll put our handguard on. And you just, before you tighten them, you double check, make sure your M-lock up top is lined up straight. You're not supposed to bridge the gap with any optic, but with the enhanced version, it's a little bit tighter of a fit, more secure. Just make sure it's lined up straight. Next, we'll move on to the muzzle device. Alright, I got the Dead Air Xeno muzzle brake. If I have any issues, I'll tighten it up to 35, but since it doesn't need to be shimmed or timed, it doesn't matter exactly where this is. So I don't have, that's why they give you so much wiggle room in torque, so you can get it lined up correctly if you need to shim it. Next, we'll install the bolt carrier group and the charging handle. For this, I put the lower in the Real Avid vise block, and we'll And there we have a complete gun. I'll take it off this block a little bit. Charging handle works. There you have it for the AR-10 M5 E1 Aero Precision upper build. I will be putting the full video up on Rumble. YouTube has to be time-lapsed because you're not allowed to show how to build a gun. I will have a parts list in the description. And the next video will be installing the scope, leveling the scope, and zeroing the scope. And I'll probably make a video on adjusting the gas system. As always, like, subscribe, and share. Have a good one. Thanks.